G'day guys, got another cool video with something I've always wanted and never found a good one that was at a reasonable price. Here we have a diesel transfer pump I got from Vevor, and I'll link it in the video description because, as you know, we affiliate with them now. This little beast is a 45 litre per minute, max lift 10 metres, 3,600 RPM pump. Alligator leads. It's got a 4 metre discharge hose and a 2 metre suction hose. Suction hose has a foot valve on it, and yeah, it's quite impressive how powerful it is. And one of the cool features is this great big auto stop nozzle. So this nozzle stops like a normal fuel bowser stops. It's got a trigger lock and auto stop. Let's turn it on and show you how it works. So the auto stop nozzle is amazing. Obviously I didn't make it auto stop. It does definitely auto stop though. I was using this to fill a couple of jerry cans the other day. Excellent for that. It came with all the hose, all the fittings and everything, and it was like $100. I haven't had it get hot yet. It claims 30-minute working time. I pumped about 150 litres with it and it didn't get hot. The hose seems to be nice quality. It's got a reinforcing band in it so it doesn't suck flat. The hose clamps aren't amazing, but the brass fittings with the O-rings are good. The hand trigger feels good. As I said, it's got a latch. It is big, but that's not a bad thing. It means you're not going to drive over it or anything silly. It's painted a bright colour. You're filling your excavator or service truck or whatever, you're not going to drive over it. So it's going to be awesome for doing some of the things I do with it. It's transferring liquids and things, fueling up vehicles. I have a big old Chinese diesel engine that I'm about to turn into a generator, and it runs on recycled oil, so I'll be collecting all the oil from my friends and mechanics and stuff, and using that to generate power, which will be cool for the months when we don't have as much sun. And I'm going to try and use the waste heat from this water-cooled generator to heat a hot tub. So this is the big diesel. It's a Changfa 1115. We've got a nice big fuel tank off a truck on it, an airbox off a Mitsubishi Triton on it. It's electric start diesel, single cylinder, 1.15 litre. We're about to put that 115 amp alternator on it, just for charging its own battery. You've got to put a big decent sized battery on there to start it because it's pretty high compression, and the decompression valve lever broke when I moved it once, so you need quite a bit of power to whiz it over. I've got to get a new valve cover, because the valve cover's got the decompression lever in it. But yeah, I'm going to use this for a few different things. I have an old 2-cylinder air compressor that I want to run with it. Oh, that's the hammer mill that it runs to if you want it to. Yeah, it's only a matter of flicking the belts back on and that'll run that big hammer mill. I've got this 2-cylinder air compressor head here, which would probably go pretty well. This diesel engine only does about 1500 revs. It's with the pulley size down to that. It's such a quiet little compressor. It's like this goes whoop 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 whoop. Really, really good quality old style compressor, so I've been hanging on to that. I only bought that for the electric motor that was on it. But yeah, going to be able to do some things with the diesel, which will mean I use less grid power and more sunshine power. Got a full row of panels on the roof of this shed, and a bunch of randoms just chilling, so got plenty in the way of solar for the days where we need that bit of extra grunt. We're going to run with what we can with this diesel. I paid, I think it was $4,000 for the hammer mill and the big diesel. Obviously it looks pretty sad at the moment because it's just been out in the weather, but might tidy it up and put it in a box. Just use it as a power source for multiple different things. It's heaps of grunt. There's a short on YouTube of it running. But yeah, it idles at about 1500 revs. And it should be something like 18 kilowatt or 22 or 24 horsepower. It's quite a strong little thing. I put a big muffler on it. They come with these stupid little can muffler things, and they are so loud. That's why the airbox has been adapted as well, because they're really loud with that airbox. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use my recycled oil for. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.